Hear about grants going to this nonprofit or that nonprofit, but today we get to see that money at work. $1 million actually offered through the United Way and Rochester Area Community Foundation, groups we've been partnering with this year. Erica Cost reports.
Wilson Commencement Park is a supportive housing community that has been hit hard by the pandemic. Cavell Mighty is the director of residential services for this supportive housing community. She says they give services to women that come from various walks of life.
Domestic violence, mental health issue, or just low income. And so we try to get them to become more self-sufficient and independent.
And they don't just offer housing services. They provide parenting support, money management services, and a study buddy program for children. When the pandemic hit, they were hurting.
We weren't fully funded to do that, to provide that in-person support.
So they applied for the Community Crisis Fund and got it. That helped them buy new PPE, get cleaning products and equipment for virtual meetings for their programs.
Yeah, so this is a partnership with a number of the philanthropic organizations in town, folks like the Farish Foundation, Greater Rochester Health Foundation, ESL Charitable Foundation.
Bannister said the fund works to leverage resources to Black and Indigenous people of color.
We know that the effects of coronavirus have been most acutely felt with communities of color, and so there was a real need to mobilize dollars in that way.
We feel like we can be here and we can support our clients in person and making sure that we're both safe.
And Bannister says these funds are meant not only to help prepare for an emerging crisis, but help sustain throughout. In Rochester, Erica Cost, News 8.
Thanks, Erica. Now, since March, more than $6 million has been raised for this fund. Through donations, about $5 million has already been distributed.